Hi, my name is Nick and we're looking at the crypto market as well as Firstcoin development. It is May 1, 2018 and we are 9:30 p.m. Central European time in the Netherlands. Today we see a market that has been slightly down, although it was more down earlier today. We see EOS down 1.5%, Bitcoin down nearly 3%, Ethereum 1.25%, Tron 4.5%, Ripple down 1%, Bitcoin Cash 4.4%, Verge up nearly 2%, Cardano up 3%, and Litecoin down 2%. As you see, it's already for a couple of days that EOS is on top of the list as far as volume is concerned. More volume than Bitcoin, 2.73 billion. That's huge. Probably has to do with EOS will somewhere this year, I think it's in June, come out with its will have its ICO. As of now, EOS is only tokens. EOS is something similar as Ethereum. It's a cryptocurrency. It's a company which provides a platform for smart contracts where you can either create a new cryptocurrency or any other business. Only the difference is that in EOS it's all automized, whereas in Ethereum you need some people to change the script and do some scripting yourself. So it looks like EOS has a huge potential. There's some doubts, of course, like with everything, but as of now it's a really, as you can see already for a couple of days, in turnover it's higher than Bitcoin. Very interesting. As always, we look at Bitcoin. What is happening? You see the 7-day chart. We don't see much of a chart yet. Anyway, we see the volume going down compared to a week ago. Here we see the 1-day chart. We've been going down from 9,300 down to 9,000, down to 8,800, 8,900, and we're now stabilizing up here. The 7-day chart, then we see the same movement, of course, down from 9.6, 9.7 to 8.8. So that seems to be, this seems to be a level for some support, as it has been bouncing from there once before. And when we look at the 1-month chart, then we see that this is I think it's broken down. It's gone past its support line. It's broken out of this support line, and it's had too much of a resistance here at 9,400, 9,400. So this, as for now, seems to be too much for Bitcoin to continue its upward movement. I will have to wait and see. Here you can see it even clearer, and you can also see that the 9,400 has been a resistance level before. So this is 9,600 and now we're back at 9,400. So this area is somewhat of a resistance. I think maybe some people do not want to wait for the 10,000 level, which is a psychological number, but not really something. As you can see, there's nothing happening very much here. But here you can clearly see that this is steep upward, this is less steep, and now it seems to be leveling or going sideways. We'll wait and see. Anyway, nothing dramatic happening. Here you see it even clearer that, you know, the trend up and now it's been going sideways a little bit, which is maybe good for now. Like I said before, any movement which goes too quickly also comes back very quickly, and when it moves up just slightly, just, you know, moving up, going down a little bit, moving up, that's usually the most stable way of growing, a growing price. Okay, we see other developments in these first 9 coins. I mean 9 as far as volume is concerned. We see Tron, interesting coin as well. There's a lot of speculation there, and this is clearly some profit taking. You could see 1 month, you could see it is going up from 3 cents, and we're now 8 cents. And here a more upward move, clearly a strong upward trend, which it has seems to have broken for now. And Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Verge also coming back after a strong upward movement, and then an interesting chart. You see we were here about 1 cent, it jumped up to 25, and there was a lot of speculation. Then it went back to 5 cents, down to 2 cents, and it's gradually going up. This is 9 cents, and profit taking down to support at around 6, and now it's going back up. Okay, when we look at Firstcoin, what is happening there? Let's first look at today. Well, interesting chart. We see a price of Firstcoin down here 3.8 cents, and then a dip down to 3.5, and then a jump up 4.1, 4.4, and then profit taking 4.1. In the other videos, in the earlier videos, I said that 4 or 4.4 was like a support level. It looked like a support level 4 here, but it clearly fell through this support level. Here you can see it was a small dip below that, 4.2. This is 4.1. So this support level was not strong enough. As you can see, yesterday it broke through that, fell through that, and it fell back to 3.8 with a dip down to 3.5 today. With a lack of news of Firstcoin, we can see that the price is not going to stay. Today is a bit interesting in the sense that, like I said, we have a lack of news. But then in the afternoon we got an email saying that the monthly calculation has been done. So the company is still alive. I mean, there's no reason to suggest that they were not. There's clearly something going on. They're talking about new developments. It's a pity they do not communicate, and that clearly has its effect on the price. But as of now, there's no negative news, nothing. So we suppose that everything's right. And this email saying that the monthly calculation of commissions as well as the monthly payments on the package has been done. So everything is fine. And the other interesting bit here is that, oh, what am I doing? That is this, the volume. The volume has clearly jumped upward today. We're 7,000, here, April 25, we had a volume of around 20. Then we had a move up to 38 and back to 25. And here we are 55, 56. And now we're up already for a couple of days. Like here as well, 71. And yesterday it was 76 and now it's 78. So it's a very interesting move here.
That volume has gone up so much. It is 3 times the volume as compared to a week ago. I think that's a positive sign or a negative sign. It's just how you want to interpret it, because it means that a lot of people are selling coins at this level. That means that a lot of people don't have any more faith in the future, because otherwise why would you be selling your coins at 4 cents? And they clearly have bought it at a higher level. So they're selling at a loss. And on the other hand, there are the same number of people, or maybe not number of people, but there are people who are buying those coins who clearly do have a positive expectations, or are positive about the future of Firstcoin. So it's double, you know. At one point people are selling at a loss, who don't see, well, maybe they're impatient, maybe they don't want to wait anymore for, and I think, okay, if I sell it now, I get at least my 4 cents per coin. And other people who are really confident and think, okay, this is a great opportunity, which it is. If everything goes well, this is an absolute great opportunity, because the price can easily jump to 40 cents or whatever. You know, thinking about that we were 18 or more dollars, then this is a great opportunity. As soon as we have any concrete positive news, this price will jump, and then everybody who bought some coins right now is then really will be very happy. Okay, that's all I have to say about Firstcoin and the market today, and I'll keep you posted within a couple of days or tomorrow, whenever anything happens, I'll be back creating another video. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please react to the video and give me a thumbs up if you like this. And I look forward to hear from you.